about how to write long and strong, smart answers for writing tests. We made a collection of all the things you already know about what makes strong writing. Then we considered how to lengthen our stories through details like character details, how characters think, talk, and move, as well as structure and thinking through story structure of using scenes and a problem and a solution. Today, let's take some time to talk about how to lengthen our essays, thinking still in details and in structure. In order to lengthen our essay writing, we use examples and reasons as details. For a writing prompt, you'll be doing some reading before you write your answer. Return to that reading to find lots of examples to add to your essay. So in order to represent this, I drew a sketch here. And this is the text that you'll read before you take the writing prompt. And what I've done here is I've just marked kind of to represent maybe an example came from right there and you'd write one example. And then to stretch your writing, you'd add more details, more examples. So here, another example is. And you could do it one more time with one more example is. So remember, on these tests, you're going to have a reading passage, and then you're going to have a writing assignment. And when you're writing essay, your details will come from your reading passage. You'll use examples from there, and then you'll find another example and one more example in order to stretch your essay using the details of examples and reasons. All right, so we can lengthen our essay by using examples and reasons that we find in the reading passage. But we also need to consider the structure of an essay. And unlike story that's organized by scenes, essays are organized by parts. And you'll have 3 to 5 parts. Now the structure of an essay goes like this. The first part is always the introduction. This is where you introduce what it is that you believe or what your stance is. The next part, and there could be 2, 3, or 4 of this part, is the body. And that's where you support your reasoning with examples or reasons from what you read. And the final part is the conclusion. This is the ending of your essay. So we can lengthen our writing by thinking through adding more details of examples and reasons, or by thinking about the structure and making sure that there's an introduction, a body, and a conclusion to our essay. Today, during writing workshop, your teacher is going to share with you an article. You're going to read it just like you will on the writing test. You'll read the passage, and then you're going to write an essay. When you write today, remember to write long and strong. Lengthen your essay by using examples and reasons, as well as remembering the structure. Start with an introduction, and then have a body, and end with a conclusion. You should have 3 to 5 parts to your essay. I'm sure you don't need a reminder to take a look at your strong writing chart and remember everything you already know how to do as a writer. Happy writing, everyone.